One of the first thoughts that I hear from people later on about life insurance when they start reading online is the thought, are you kidding me? This is the thought that they have because they start to read about all the different elements and words that come up in their starting to study it, because they've been told, you know, you should really look at life insurance. And the whole confusion about the words and frustration about what they're reading, and most people just go, you know what, forget about it. My name is Erin Doan. I'm a state farm agent here in Scottville, and I really feel it's my responsibility in the community to educate people and to help them understand better about life insurance and get some comfort with, talking about an uncomfortable subject. So what I try to do is really kind of break it down, and the first big step is need. So what does that mean, need? Well, it's a personal thing. Need for each person is different, and I think it starts with, well, why do I need life insurance? And the first part of that is really for you personally. What do you have to lose? What does your family have to lose if something, God forbid, happens to you as a person? And as we consider that, you have to look at your family and go, what would happen if I'm not here? And how would their life be a month from now or a year from now without me around in the picture? And so that's personal. And then there's also a financial element to that. So how would they pay the bills? And so what I try to do is, once they come to realization that, yeah, I care about my family and they would be in a bad position, we get into the need in terms of financial. So we look at what you have at work, how much coverage you have. If you have coverage elsewhere in a policy, we look at that as well. And then we really take it and break it down into an acronym called LIFE, and LIFE. So the first one is loans. What do you owe people? How much do you owe in a mortgage or a car loan or credit card? How much would have to be paid back if something, God forbid, happened? I is for income. So income replacement for your family. And my rule of thumb is oftentimes at least 5 times your current income. And for some, it's 2 times income if, let's say, you didn't have children. And so just kind of having, again, that simple conversation between each other about that. And so you come up with the number of years you want to have for income. From there, you go into final expense. The funeral, medical bills, you got to take that number. And the last thing is everything else. So if you want to have, take care of some education, if you have, some other things you'd like to do for legacy, for your grandchildren someday, those things. So what do? I have a simple conversation. Keep it easy. Talk about your needs. Talk about what's important to you. Learn about your family. I'm here to help. I'm the State Farm Agent, Erin Doan. I'm in Scottville. You can reach me at 231-757-3115. Or you can find me online at erindoan.com. Thank you, and have a great day.